Hi there, Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and we're back today with some more tips and tricks for the field. Today we're going to look at Inaba Denko's SL300 strap system. These are pretty straightforward, but very important to have and extremely helpful in the field. If you look closely here, there's a groove in the back of the clamp, and that can straddle either side of the railing system. And when you're mounting the base of your SD, you'll actually just screw right through the SD and into the surface of the home or the building that you're doing, and that ensures that these clamps will not go anywhere. Once you've done that, you can feed your zip tie through, and now you're ready for your line sets, your drain lines, and your electrical. These serve a few purposes. One of the most common is it simply makes closing the line cover much easier. Right here we've got this SD 140 completely full, but because we've got the zip ties in there, I can very easily put the cover on here and we're ready to go. That's fully loaded and it's not going to come apart. But secondly, if you're doing a horizontal run rather than a vertical run, it's extremely important that we don't have a lot of slope and drag in the line sets. We don't want to collect oil, and it's going to help prolong the life of the system, and it's the right way to do it. I encourage you to check our full product offering at inabadenkoamerica.com. Please subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. We'd love to keep you up to date with everything that's new in our industry and what might be new in your area. We'll see you next time.